Nine St. Johns County families are suing a private early learning school following the arrest of one of its former daycare employees. Action News Jax told you 2 weeks ago when deputies arrested 18-year-old Anthony Guadalupe for lewd and lascivious behavior on a victim younger than 12 years old. Action News Jax Gretchen Kernbach is live in St. Johns County tonight. Gretchen, the lawsuit claims there are more victims than stated in the original arrest report.
And we first told you back in July when Guadalupe was arrested for allegedly inappropriately touching a young girl, and he was a daycare employee at Chappelle Schools, as you see right behind me. This is the Longleaf campus. But now a newly filed lawsuit alleges that there are more than, or rather there are 8 more children who experienced similar abuse. A lawsuit says not one child, but 9 were sexually battered at the hands of a Chappelle Schools daycare employee. Action News Jax first told you in July when deputies arrested Anthony Guadalupe after live classroom footage revealed Guadalupe inappropriately touching the child and himself, leading to his arrest. Now attorneys are going after the school, its CEO and director. The 10-count complaint alleges direct negligence and negligent infliction of emotional distress by the school and its leaders while seeking more than $30,000 in damages. Action News Jax law and safety expert Dale Carson says winning this kind of a case is a challenge.
The difficulty in a case like this is that when somebody commits a crime, it doesn't necessarily fall on the employer to have prevented that criminal act.
Among the 10 counts, the lawsuit states the parents and victims have lost the parent-child companionship as a result of the school's actions. The lawsuit also states the parents of the victims will incur medical and psychological expenses.
You may have, and you certainly would bring, an action that says, essentially, because of this individual's conduct, my child is suffering, I suffer as a result.
The lawsuit says the victims themselves have suffered damages, including pain and suffering, mental anguish, and expenses of future therapy and medical care. We reached out to the law firm suing the school. They're asking the public to respect the family's privacy. At this time, they said in part, we have faith that the civil and criminal process will bring justice for these families. And just in the last half hour, we got a response from Chappelle Schools CEO Melanie Williams. She says the allegations go far beyond what we know to be factual. And she adds that this gross allegation that Chappelle covered up anything or attempted to cover up anything is false and offensive. And you can find her whole statement online on our website at actionnewsjax.com. And it is important to note that Guadalupe is only facing charges for one of these victims. For all coverage, you can count on reporting live in St. Johns County. I'm